Wacom Australia. PT Limited is a leading name in the world of digital art, design, and illustration. But before you rush into buying, there are a few key things you need to know, especially when comparing it to its competitors in the tablet space. Stay tuned till the end because there's a great offer waiting for you, and I'll share some crucial insights that could save you time and money. First off, when it comes to drawing tablets, Wacom has long been the industry leader, especially in Australia. But what sets Wacom Australia PT Limited apart from other brands like Huion or XP Pen? Well, the build quality and responsiveness of Wacom tablets are top-notch. They've been around for decades, and their experience is evident in the durability of their products. You'll find that even the entry-level models feel premium, with smooth surfaces and precise pen input, which is not always the case with some competitors. Next thing to consider, price. Wacom's tablets tend to be more expensive than the competition, but there's a good reason for that. You're paying for reliability and a top-tier pen experience. While cheaper brands might offer similar features, many users report issues with lag, inconsistent pressure sensitivity, and overall build quality. Wacom's pens are highly regarded in the industry for their accuracy and smooth feel. If you're serious about your craft, this is worth the investment. The third thing you need to know is the wide range of models that Wacom offers. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, there's something for you. Their Intuos and One by Wacom tablets are great entry-level options, while the Cintiq and Mobile Studio Pro are for professionals who need the best performance for high-end digital work. This level of variety means you can always find a tablet that suits your needs and budget, unlike some competitors that only offer limited choices. The fourth thing to keep in mind is the software compatibility. Wacom works seamlessly with the majority of creative software out there, from Adobe Photoshop to Corel Painter. Whether you're into illustration, photo editing, or 3D modeling, Wacom devices are optimized for all major platforms. This might sound like a given, but many lower-end brands struggle with driver compatibility, which can lead to frustrating experiences for users. Now, let's talk about ergonomics and comfort. Wacom tablets are known for their thoughtful design. The ergonomic features, like customizable buttons and tilting pens, make it easier for long hours of use without strain. In comparison, some other brands might offer good features, but fail to provide the same level of comfort, which can be a deal breaker if you're working on detailed projects for hours at a time. The sixth point to mention is the ongoing support and updates. Wacom has a strong support system in place, with regular software updates, driver improvements, and an active community of artists and designers. This is one of the key advantages Wacom Australia Pti Ltd has over its competitors, as they constantly improve their products, ensuring your tablet stays relevant and performs at its peak. The seventh and final point is the warranty and customer service. Wacom provides an excellent warranty policy for their products, which is often better than what you'd find with other brands. Their customer service is known for being responsive and helpful, making the buying experience smooth and reassuring, especially if you're making a significant investment in one of their premium tablets. If you're on the fence about whether Wacom is worth the investment, consider trying it for yourself. They offer free trials so you can experience the difference before making a commitment. To get the best deal and some exclusive benefits, click the first link in the description below to try Wacom Australia Pti Ltd for free and see how it fits your needs. So, there you have it. 7 essential things to know before buying a Wacom product in Australia. With their unparalleled quality, range of products, and excellent customer support, Wacom is undoubtedly a solid choice for any digital artist or designer. But don't just take my word for it. Try it out for yourself and see the difference. Click the link below to get started.